streamline content creation with WriteSonic, unveiling unprecedented features. In the dynamic realm of content creation, innovation is the driving force that fuels efficiency and quality. In this landscape, WriteSonic emerges as a game-changing AI-based tool, offering a treasure trove of features designed to empower content creators and elevate their output. Whether you're a blogger, advertiser, or Shopify entrepreneur, WriteSonic's capabilities transcend the ordinary, making it an indispensable asset for those seeking a streamlined and effective content creation journey. Unlocking innovative AI-powered content creation. WriteSonic's prowess lies in its ability to effortlessly craft unique and engaging content across diverse platforms. From crafting blog posts that captivate readers to composing compelling Facebook and Google ads that resonate with your audience, WriteSonic's innovative AI writer is your ultimate ally. The tool seamlessly adapts to the specific requirements of each platform, ensuring your content is not only relevant, but also optimized for success. A game-changing paraphrasing tool. Content creation often demands versatility, and the paraphrasing tool offered by WriteSonic is a true game-changer. Rephrasing entire articles instantly becomes a breeze, saving you precious time and sparing you from the monotony of manual rewrites. With this feature, you can maintain originality while efficiently repurposing content, thus enhancing your productivity without compromising quality. Democratizing access. Free to use. In a world where premium tools often come with a hefty price tag, WriteSonic breaks the mold by offering its features and resources free of charge. This democratization of access ensures that creators of all levels can harness the tool's potential without financial constraints. The ability to utilize AI-driven content creation and paraphrasing without a cost barrier is a boon that sets WriteSonic apart. Versatile use cases. Empowering content creators. The applications of WriteSonic are as diverse as the content landscape itself, providing a multitude of avenues for content creators to excel. 1. Rapid content creation. Time is a precious commodity in the world of content creation. With WriteSonic, the ability to produce high-quality content quickly and effortlessly becomes a reality. Whether you're a blogger striving to maintain a consistent posting schedule or an advertiser crafting time-sensitive promotions, WriteSonic's AI-driven content creation ensures you're always ahead of the curve. 2. Elevating SEO rankings. In the digital age, visibility is key. WriteSonic's capacity to generate SEO-friendly content gives you a strategic advantage. By seamlessly integrating target keywords and optimizing your content for search engines, you can enhance your website's rankings and attract a larger audience organically. 3. Compelling ads for enhanced conversion. Crafting ads that truly resonate with your target audience is an art form. WriteSonic's AI writer empowers you to create compelling Facebook and Google ads that are tailored to convert. Captivating copy that speaks directly to your audience's pain points and aspirations can significantly boost your ad campaign's effectiveness. 4. Effortless Shopify store enhancement. Shopify entrepreneurs understand the importance of persuasive product descriptions and engaging store content. With WriteSonic, you can effortlessly create enticing product descriptions, engaging landing pages, and captivating blog posts to showcase your brand's uniqueness and captivate potential customers. 5. Paraphrasing for authenticity and efficiency. The paraphrasing tool is a true game changer, allowing you to repurpose content without sacrificing originality. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures authenticity in your content, while minimizing the risk of unintentional plagiarism. The WriteSonic Advantage, a seamless content creation journey. WriteSonic's unique blend of innovative AI-driven content creation and a cutting-edge paraphrasing tool presents an all-encompassing solution for content creators. Whether you're a novice seeking simplicity or an experienced creator aiming for efficiency, WriteSonic caters to your needs. It transforms content creation from a daunting task to a seamless and even enjoyable journey, enriching your output while saving you precious time and effort. In a landscape where content is king, WriteSonic emerges as the crown jewel, offering an array of features that empower you to craft content that not only resonates, but also drives results. Embrace the power of AI-driven content creation, elevate your creative process, and unlock a world of possibilities with WriteSonic. As the digital world evolves, arm yourself with the tools that ensure your content remains at the forefront, captivating audiences and propelling your success. For more online earning-related videos, kindly subscribe my channel.